Example. And in this video we solve this problem. In this example, among a group of 200 students, 137 are enrolled in mathematics class, 50 students are enrolled in history class, and 124 in music class. Furthermore, the number of students enrolled in both maths and history class is 33. मैथ्स एंड हिस्ट्री में कितने एनरोल है 33 है. बोथ हिस्ट्री एंड म्यूजिक में 29 है. And both maths and music is 92. Finally, the number of enrolled in all the three subjects are 18. That is, 18 students are enrolled in maths, history, and in music. So these students have all the three subjects. Determine the probability that a student selected at random from the group of 200 students. हम इन 200 students से एक student select करते हैं. And what is the probability selected randomly from this group of 200s will be enrolled in at least of the three subjects. Of the three subject means he will either enroll in maths, he will either enroll in maths, music or in history. So इसका मतलब है कि वो मैथ्स में एनरोल होगा या वो म्यूजिक में एनरोल होगा या वो हिस्ट्री में एनरोल होगा. Solution. Let ABC denotes maths, history and music class respectively. So what is the probability that a student will be selected will have either maths or history or music C. So this is equal to probability of A. R is replaced by union A, union B, union C. So this can be solved by addition of probability for three not mutually exclusive, because these even A, B, C are not mutually exclusive, because A union B is exist, B union C is exist, and A union C is exist, and it is clear from the problem. In this problem, it is stated that 137 are enrolled in maths class, 50 in the history, and 124 in music class. So these are individuals who enrolled in A, B, C. But there is intersecting areas as well. Furthermore, the number of students enrolled in both maths and history. Enrolled in maths and history means A intersection B. Enrolled in maths and history. And for intersection, maths is denoted by B, and A, maths is denoted by A, and history is denoted by B. So this is A intersection B. The number of individual in A intersection B is 33. Total is 200 students. Both history and music. So this is B intersection C, and both maths and music. So this is A intersection C. So we know that the intersecting part are there in this problem. So this is not mutually exclusive case. That is A, B and C. So this intersecting part is there in all the three. So this can be written as probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C minus probability of B intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. So now we find these probabilities in turn. Probability of A, probability that how many students are enrolled in maths. Probability of A will be equal to n of A divided by n of rho. Number of individuals in maths class. A denotes maths. B history, and C denotes music. So how many individuals are enrolled there in maths? 137 are enrolled in maths. So this is equal to 137 by total 100 is 200. This is probability of A. Probability of B equal to n of B divided by n of S. So how many individuals are enrolled in history? 124 individuals are enrolled in history. So n of B is 124 divided by 200. And probability of C, the number of individuals who enrolled in music class, 137 are enrolled in maths, 50 in history. So this is 50 by 200. Probability of C, n up C divided by n up S. So music class में 124 है, so 124 by 200. Now probability of A intersection B, which are enrolled in maths and history. So n up A intersection B, number of students enrolled in maths and history divided by n up S. तो मैथ्स एंड हिस्ट्री में हमारे साथ है, मैथ्स एंड हिस्ट्री में हमारे साथ टोटल 33 स्टूडेंट है डिवाइडेड बाय 200. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन सी, मैथ्स एंड म्यूजिक में हमारे साथ है, मैथ्स एंड म्यूजिक में हमारे साथ है 92. n of A intersection B divided by n of S, A intersection C divided by n of S, तो 92 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. (92 divided by 200) and probability of B intersection C means history and music में कितने एनरोल हैं? हिस्ट्री एंड म्यूजिक में हमारे साथ है, हिस्ट्री एंड म्यूजिक 29 आर एनरोल्ड इन हिस्ट्री एंड म्यूजिक 200. Probability of A intersection B intersection C and the student that are enrolled in all the three subjects is 18 by 200. So putting all these values in equation number A, आप इसमें पुट करते हैं तो ये हमारे साथ आ जाएगी. Probability of A union B union C will be equal to, probability of A हमारे साथ है 137 by 200 plus probability of B is 50 by 200. Probability of C is 124 by 200. A intersection B हमारे साथ है -33 by 200. A intersection C हमारे साथ है -92 by 200 और -29 by 200 और प्लस probability of A intersection B intersection C हमारे साथ है 18 by 200. तो इस को जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 7 by 8. Implies that probability of A union B union C will be equal to 7 by 8. So the probability that a student is randomly selected from 200 students and it will be enrolled either in maths, in history or in music, its probability is 7 by 8. That's all.